Sooner or later, we all quote our mothers. After all, behind all our stories is our mother's stories, because hers is where ours began. A very warm welcome to all the marvelous mothers present here. Today, I, Heer Parekh,
And I, Anika Dugal,
will be your host and would like to wish you all a very happy Mother's Day.
let's start this beautiful day with our national anthem. I request you all to please rise for the national anthem.
قسما 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 بمن رفع السماء قسما بمن نشر الضياء قطر ستبقى حرة تسمو بالروح الأوفياء سيروا على نهج الأولى سيروا وعلى ضياء الأنبياء قطر بقلب سيرة عز وأمجاد الإباء قطر الرجال الأولين حماتنا يوم النداء وحمائم يوم السلام جوارح يوم الفداء قطر الرجال الأولين حماتنا يوم النداء وحمائم يوم السلام جوارح يوم الفداء قسما 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 بمن رفع السماء قسما بمن نشر الضياء قطر ستبقى حرة تسمو بروح الأوفياء
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
On this auspicious day, the students of Monarch International School have come together to truly showcase their gratitude for their mothers and all the mothers present here.
To start, I would like to call upon our little bundles of joy. Vienna of 1E, Amrut of 2G, Spruha of 2C, Jiva of 1M, Riyan of 1N, and Omar Muhammad Moshin Ansari of 1L to acquaint us with our school's motto, vision, mission, and our objectives.
Good morning, everyone. DPS Monarch International School will deliver learning excellence that is child-centric, value-based, technology-driven. DPR Monarch International School will ensure that students add value to their community and make the world a better place to live. School motto is education with a difference.
School objectives are provide holistic learning excellence, empower students to harness technology to foster independent thinking,
Encourage leadership. Inspire students to unlock their fullest potential. Create responsible global citizens.
I would now like to invite the musical geniuses of grade 3 to 5 to present us with our school song.
We hold those high, reaching for the stars. Together we stand to make a difference in each other's lives. The leaders of the world, together in unity. We're gonna do it right with love, loyalty, and honesty. We're gonna make a change. We're gonna make a change. Welcome everybody from all around the world. Let's build a bright future. Parents, teachers, and children, united we come to learn. It doesn't matter where we are from, 'cause today we share one vision, and it will make it our peaceful nation. We value our communities, strive to be lifelong learners, express ourselves to everyone, love and compassion. Hold the hopes high, reaching for the stars. Together we stand to make a difference in each other's lives. Leaders of the world, together in unity. We're gonna do it right with love, peace, and integrity. We're gonna make a change. We're gonna make a change. Our teachers share their wisdom to all of us with freedom. They share without hesitation, and they teach us all to question what is knowledge without reason. We all have our own experience, so we learn how to convey them, and convey them with kindness and reason. We value our communities, strive to be lifelong learners, express ourselves to everyone with love and compassion. We hold the hopes high, reaching for the stars. Together we stand to make a difference in each other's lives. Leaders of the world, together in unity. We're gonna do it right with love, loyalty, and honesty. We're gonna do it right with love, peace, and integrity. We're gonna make a change. We're gonna make a change. We are Monacan to learn together. We are Monacan to respect each other. We are Monacan to commit to service. We are Monacan to pursue action. We are Monacan to learn together. We are Monacan to respect each other. We are Monacan to commit to service. We are Monacan to pursue action.
That was a harmonious performance. Now we would like to honor 4 special guests that are here with us today. Well, 3 of them are immaculate women who have attained success both as mothers and in their professional life. And we have the manager of Malabar Gold and Diamonds with us today.
We have with us Miss Asma Nanar, who is a highly qualified professional in the field of education and is driven by her passion for education. She is the founder principal of Billabong High School and Milton International School, where she ensures that the best education is imparted to the students. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing us with your presence today.
We have with us Mrs. Rukmani Harish Kanjani. She is a council member of DPS Group of Institutions. She is a housewife and a mother to 2 lovely daughters. She enjoys cooking and traveling. She is a very positive person and believes in live and let live. We welcome you, ma'am. Mrs. Kamakshi Gopi from Chennai. She is the current president of Aurora Toastmasters Club. She joined Toastmasters to explore the possibilities of learning. She is happily married and the mother of 2 princesses. She has worked as a clinical dietitian in Vellore CMC Hospital. Her hobbies are listening to music and gardening. She believes that simplicity is the utmost sophistication. We are blessed to have you here, ma'am.
We also have with us Mr. Harshit Ayub, manager of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. We welcome you, sir. To mark this day, I would like to invite all the dignitaries, key functionaries, and PTA members for the symbolic cake cutting to honor all the mothers. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Asma Nanar to address the gathering.
Thank you, Anika and he, for the lovely introduction. Very good morning. Happy Mother's Day to the lovely, proud parents seated here. It is something very important day for all of us. And I really thank the management, Principal Ms. Meenal, and the staff of Monarch International School for making us and the entire the mother community at the DPS Monarch International School feel very proud, blessed, and arranging such an event for us so that we all feel proud and we feel we are very important contributors to this community. A very happy Mother's Day to all, one and all gathered here. It was a lovely gesture from Malabar to arrange such an event and make us all feel very proud. I'm really impressed, sir. Thank you so much for making us feel very proud and for your kind gesture as well. Yes, I don't know, I didn't listen to my profile very cleanly, but I heard in the beginning that I am a founder principal of 2 great institutions in Chennai. But above all, I'm a proud mother of 2 adult kids. I have a daughter, I'm blessed with a daughter. She's a doctor serving the community, and a son who's working in US. So above all, I'm really blessed to be a great mother. So that is really, I am thankful to the Almighty for making me give this importance in this world. And I have around 600 children in my school. So I'm a mother to all those 600 children as well. So I overall feel very blessed that I am giving justice to this role as well. So mother is a very important role, I would say. Be it professional or be it a housewife, you are the person who is bonding, making the family together. And from all walks of life, you sacrifice and you give justice, you do justice to that title. So we should really feel proud that we hold this very important position, very important role in this community. And as a message, I would say, spend as much time as possible with your children. See that you teach them the values, you teach them the discipline, the knowledge will be gained wherever they go or in the schools. But without discipline, without values, I think a person is incomplete in this life. So that is my piece of advice to all the lovely mothers. Spend as much as quality time with your children. See how much you can contribute in their early ages. Because as they grow, when they come to their teens, when they come to the adult, they stop listening to us. So the foundation days, until they are great years, 10 or 12, they always look forward for their mothers. So see that how you can contribute to them. And as there is a saying, a woman can, or a lady can rule the world or ruin the world. So we, as important contributors to this society, should take this thing as a very important role in our life, and see how much best we can give it back to the society. I heard from Minal ma'am that the children have planned many events, and I don't want to interrupt, come between these things. So I would end my message now and leave the floor to the children so that they all make us feel very proud, and you also get back home with a great satisfaction that you are an important person in this society. Thank you one and all.
We would now like to call Mrs. Rukmini Harish Kanjani to come and share a few words with us.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, my friend Asma, Kamakshi, to all the teachers, staff, beautiful mothers and lovely children. DPS Monarch International School welcome you all to celebrate this motherhood on this auspicious day. Ma, Amma, Ai, Mom, these are few words of selfless love, sacrifice, hard work, patience. Mother is the most precious and unique gift by God. We cannot describe mother in few words. She is a bliss and constant source of energy for a child. I think mother is the only person on this planet who sacrificed everything without the intention of getting anything in return. Leonardo DiCaprio has said, mother is the walking miracle. So I pray that there is always miracle in every child, in everyone's life. हिंदी में कहते हैं, माँ के कदमों में जन्नत है, सच है. Thank you so much, and I welcome you all, my friend, on this auspicious day. Thank you so much.
Now, we would like to call upon Mrs. Kamakshi Gopi to share her thoughts with us.
Dear Principal Meenal ma'am, Asma ma'am, Rukmini ma'am, Madhu ma'am, my dear proud parents and children. Vanakkam, Salam Alaikum and good morning everyone. How are you all doing today? Are you happy to be here on this special occasion? Are you? Yes. If you're happy and you know it, what do you do? Bring it on, ladies. It's a special occasion today. See, other than our birthdays or anniversaries, when are the days we celebrated? When are the days we are celebrating ourselves? Can anyone say? We are supposed to celebrate every day. Yes. Now, a mother is the one who takes the position of everyone, but no one can take the position of her. Hope you all agree with me, right? On that note, please bring it on for all the incredible mothers out there. A loud round of applause for each one of you. On this Mother's Day, let's also remember our mothers and the invaluable lessons they taught us. I learned from my mom, of course, many lessons. One of the most valuable lessons is, I was brought up in the southern part of India, Vellore. So when I thought, you know, I was the jack of all trades when I was in Vellore. But when I shifted to Chennai for my higher education, there I realized I was a jack of all trades and master of none. That hit me hard. You know, the culture shock, all my insecurities. I'm short, I'm dark, I have curly hair. You know, I'm not able to fit into that community. My mom said only one thing. She said, don't let your insecurities define you. You're more than that. You know, when I start speaking, maybe some of you can feel like she's speaking. But moms see you as a champion. That is the greatest thing moms can do for us. On that note, do we need to have a Mother's Day or a Father's Day or even a Teacher's Day? Do we need a special day to celebrate? I know, but I would say yes. In this fast-paced world, I think we need to take a moment to pause amidst the chaos and spend time with our mom, as Asma ma'am said, to let her know that how much we love her. All she needs is that only thing, not expensive gifts, nothing. And this is the right age, my dear parents. Once your children are grown up, you'll be waiting for them to come for vacation as we are going through. They come for just 10 days when they are graduates and they say, Mom, I want to go out. I want to see my friends. I want to catch up with them. And you have only less time with them. So please enjoy the moment and treasure the memories. So thank you so much. Let's not praise our moms only today, but let's cherish her today and forever. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am, for those encouraging words.
Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. To further show their gratitude and express to their mothers how much they mean to them, the students of our school have come up with a great source of entertainment. Without any further ado, I would like to call upon our tiny tots from kindergarten for a dance performance.
प्यारी माँ
That was a beautiful performance by our younger friends. To entertain us, I would like to invite the students of grade 1 and 2 for their performance.
थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी, जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है। अम्मी के हाथों में जाने कैसी बरकत है, दाल खिचड़ी में भी दावतों की लज्जत है, चेहरे पे फिक्रों की लकीरें हैं देखो फिर भी, अम्मी मेरी दुनिया में सबसे खूबसूरत है। थोड़ी सी मोम है, थोड़ी सी वो सर्फ भी, अम्मी की गोद में थम जाता है वक्त भी, जैसे उनके सीने में टिक 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 मेरी धड़कन है, मुझे उनके सीने से लग के मिल जाती जन्नत है। मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है।
Wow, that was an amazing dance performance, wasn't it, Heer?
Yes, it truly was.
To further add to our delight, I would like to call upon the students of middle school to present their fabulous dance.
Oh,
वो सब जाने। तेरा चेहरा वो पढ़ लेगी, तेरा हर दर्द समझेगी। तुझे देख कर है जिंदा, तुझ में है जिसका जहां। वो है माँ, वो है माँ, वो है माँ, तेरी माँ।
Now let's put our hands together for the secondary students of our school to present a skit which will surely enrich your emotions.
वो क्या है बेटा? वो क्या है बेटा?
गिलहरी है माँ। माँ, मुझे कुछ बात करनी है तुमसे। मैंने और सुनीता ने शादी करने का फैसला कर लिया है।
भगवान तुम दोनों को खुश रखे। आज ही सुनीता को दे देना। वो क्या है बेटा?
गिलहरी है माँ। माँ, शादी के बाद सुनीता और मैं साथ साथ रहेंगे। तुम तो जानती हो ना माँ, ये शहर कितना महंगा है। मेरा और तुम्हारा गुजारा तो कैसे भी हो जाता है, पर सुनीता के आने के बाद शायद इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि
वो क्या है बेटा?
गिलहरी। देखो माँ, बुरा मत मानना, क्योंकि बहुत सोचने के बाद मैंने और सुनीता ने ये तय कर लिया है। शादी के बाद हम तुम्हें साथ नहीं रख पाएंगे। हमने आपके लिए वृद्धाश्रम में रहने की व्यवस्था कर दी है।
वो क्या है बेटा?
कितनी बार बताऊंगी, वो गिलहरी है।
वो क्या?
गिलहरी। कितनी बार समझाऊं, क्यों समझ में नहीं आता है तुम्हें? अब कहां जा रही हो तुम? तारीख 15 अप्रैल 1975। आज मेरा
बेटा थोड़ा जोर से पढ़ो।
आज मेरा बेटा 3 साल का हो गया। मैं उसे घुमाने के लिए पार्क में ले गई। हम बैठे हुए थे और अचानक एक गिलहरी हमारे सामने आकर खेलने लगी। मेरे बेटे ने मुझे 21 बार पूछा वो क्या है। और मैंने 21 बार जवाब दिया कि वो गिलहरी है। आज मुझे महसूस हुआ कि इस संसार में अगर मैं सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करती हूं तो मेरे बेटे से करती हूं।
Now, to continue forward, I would like to call upon the secondary students for a dance performance.
रास रचैया राखा ना जाए अब सावरा ना भाए रे। Brother on the dance floor, brother likes to party, brother likes to move that lacy rather body. Brother on the dance floor, brother likes to party, brother likes to move that lacy rather body. लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू।
हाँ चल गई मेरी बातों से तू चल गई। हाँ खल गई तुझे खल गई मेरी बेपरवाही खल गई। वो तरवा तू किस खेत की मूली है जरा बता।
ये पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ आया मेरा दादरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा।
सिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी। अरे बहन के इतना ज़ेवर कहना, तेज हवा से बच के रहना, गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा दे। हाय झुमका, ओए झुमका, हाय झुमका झुमका। What झुमका? What झुमका? What झुमका?
ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, കലാപരിപാടികൾ തുടങ്ങാൻ ആരംഭിക്കാൻ.
മഹാരാജ ഒരു മെലഡി ഉണ്ടാക്കും, കേൾക്കുമ്പോ തന്നെ മനസ്സിങ്ങനെ മെൽറ്റായിട്ട് പോകുന്നൊരു അനുഭൂതി ഉണ്ടാക്കും. പ്ലീസ്
കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാരുടെ മനസ്സിൽ കുളിര് കോരുന്ന ഒരാഴ്ചയുണ്ട്. പാടത്തെ പാട്
ഒരു മധുരക്കിനാവിൻ ലഹരിയിലെങ്ങോ കുടമുല്ലപ്പൂ വിരിഞ്ഞു. അതിലായിരം ആശകളാലൊരു പൊന്മലമേ തേൻ മണ്ണുക മലരേ തേൻ മണ്ണുക. रातों की मेरी नींद उड़ाई गई, नशे में तेरे मुझको डुबाई गई. ऐसे मुझे दूर तू काय को ओ सैया सैया वे, ओ सैया वे, न छोड़ के जल्दी से सड़ो I am what a सैया. सोच के बोला होगा तुमने, इस दिल को ये समझा लिया हमने, इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता, ज्यादा प्यार हो जाता तो मैं सह नहीं पाता, इसमें तेरा
போதும்பா, ஆஃப் பண்ணிடலாமா?
तो இப்போ எப்படி ஆஃப் பண்ண போகிறேன்?
Mothers always do their best to ensure that their child has everything that they could wish for. And there is not a single day where they don't do something for their children, even on Mother's Day. Today, we have some of our mothers here who would like to perform for their children.
Starting with the first performance, I would like to call upon Mrs. Anshu, mother of Shivanya from KG1D.
जैसे माँ प्यार करती है ना, वैसा कोई नहीं कर सकता, वरना फूंक मारने से भला कौन सा जख्म भरता है।
मांग लूं ये मन्नत कि फिर यहीं जहां मिले, मांग लूं ये मन्नत कि फिर यहीं जहां मिले, फिर वही गोद, फिर वही मां मिले।
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful performance. Now, we would like to call upon Mrs. Varsha, Rian's mother from grade 1N.
Now let's invite the mothers of grade 2 on the stage for a dance performance. First we have Mrs. Lata, mother of Dashani. Then we have Mrs. Satya, mother of Jaswant. We have Mrs. Shravani, mother of Ram. We have Mrs. Zeba, mother of Muhammad Abdullah. And we have Mrs. Smitha, mother of Sesha.
तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी के जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी के जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको खुशियाँ भगा देगी हर गम को तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो तू ही मेरी रात कोई नहीं है तेरे तो बिना कहानियाँ है दिल जानिया तू मेरे है ना दूर जीते जा भूल गए ये सारी दुनिया ये तेरा ही नाम है मेरी ज़बान तैनू वेखी जावा मैं है इश्क तेरे विच गावा मैं मेरे दिल नू मिलदा यारा जद तैनू गल लावा मैं लिखिया सी साडा मिलना तू एदा मिलना ये नहीं सी पता कहानियाँ ए दिल जानिया तू मेरे मेरे ना दूर जीते जा भूल गए ये सारी दुनिया ये तेरा ही नाम है मेरी ज़बान
That was a beautiful performance. Now please put your hands together for mothers of grade 3. They are doing an amazing fashion show and enactment. We have with us Mrs. Aparna, mother of Ayan and Aradhana, Mrs. Brunda, mother of Bishwak, Mrs. Soumya, mother of Tasha, Mrs. Briza, mother of Rigna, Mrs. Suchi, mother of Arsh, Mrs. Besti, mother of Ayan, Mrs. Thushara, mother of Adya, Mrs. Dimple, mother of Sana, Mrs. Pooja, mother of Soumya.
Good morning, everyone. Today, as we celebrate Mother's Day, let us all take pride in the concept of motherhood. Here is a small tribute dedicated to all the beautiful mothers from grade 3 mommies to cherish the most wonderful human being of our lives. A mother, from the moment of conception, carries us, nurtures us, and guides us with unwavering devotion. She is selfless and her love is unconditional. She is a friend, teacher, and inspiration, and also our strength. Even though she is one person, she plays many roles in nurturing a child. Her day starts with the morning alarm. Your own chef. She cooks yummy food for you, and her heart is never content unless your tummy is full. She adapts to the preferences and dietary needs of her family and provides healthy meals. Your hair and makeup artist. Be it for school or a party, she knows the perfect way to get you ready. From dresses to makeup, And hairstyles to accessories, she knows it all. Your own chauffeur, from school drop-offs to extracurricular activities, medical appointments and whatnot. She shuttles her children with skill and efficiency. Your first teacher. She is the first person who teaches you about life and protects you from harm. She becomes your personalized teacher who helps you understand anything and everything. Your creative, crafty mom. Whether it's making cards or creating themed costumes for school events, a mother's creativity knows no bounds. But her craft is not only limited to physical objects. She also crafts experiences and traditions. Your own playmate. Hide and seek, football, board games or role-playing. A mother is your friend who is always ready to play. A nurse for your home. Even with the slightest achus and boo-boos, the first person you run to is your mother. She spends sleepless nights until you are nursed back to health. Your dance master. From holding your hands during your baby steps to teaching you movements for your favorite song, a mother instills in you a love for music, movement and self-expression. Your own event planner. Whether it's festival, birthday or vacation, she will have an event checklist ready. Starting from invitee list to finding cool destinations, she plans it all.
मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, तू है अमर का जहाँ, तू गुस्सा करती है, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, तू कान पकड़ती है, बड़ी जोर से लगता है, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा.
Now let's invite on stage Mrs. Ankita Baheti, who is the mother of Shivan for grade 3F, who will be presenting a beautiful poem.
Respected guests, teachers, principal ma'am, and dear mothers, happy Mother's Day to all. हम आज यहाँ आपको छोटी सी कविता सुना रहे हैं जो हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब है और मैंने लिखी है.
Happy Mother's Day to all. माँ, अम्मी, मॉम, मम्मी है इनके नाम, इसी नाम को पुकारते हैं हम बच्ची सुबह शाम. मम्मी सबसे पहले है उठती, मम्मी सबसे लास्ट में है सोती. करती रहती है दिन भर जाने कितने काम, लेकिन मम्मी को रहता है हर बात का ध्यान, लेकिन मम्मी को रहता है हर बात का ध्यान. तभी तो मम्मी सब जानती है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, मम्मी सब जानती है. बच्चे की खोई टाई हो या कोई किताब, मम्मी सब जानती है. पापा की ऑफिस की फाइल हो या घर का हिसाब, मम्मी सब जानती है। बिजली का बढ़ता बिल हो या घर का घटता राशन, मम्मी सब जानती है। दादा दादी की दवाई हो या नाना नानी का हेल्थ चेकअप, मम्मी सब जानती है। परिवार की खबर हो या मोहल्ले की गॉसिप, मम्मी सब जानती है। ऐन वक्त की पैकिंग हो या गड़बड़ हो करनी ठीक, मम्मी सब जानती है। घर में किसको क्या पसंद है और किसको क्या नहीं पसंद, मम्मी सब जानती है। कैसे सुधारने हैं बिगड़े रिश्ते या बिगड़ी बात, मम्मी सब जानती है। आंखों की भाषा हो या मन के हालात, मम्मी सब जानती है। नहीं छुपा सकता हमसे कोई अपने जज्बात, क्योंकि मम्मी सब जानती है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल मम्मी सब जानती है, बस हम कभी कभी बताना है भूल जाते। प्यार बहुत करते हैं मम्मी, पर जताना है भूल जाते। आई लव यू मम्मी, मेरी हर कठिनाई को करती सरल हो। आप इतना हो चाहती जीवन बच्चे का सफल हो। बस एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है हमारी, हम सबके साथ प्यारी मम्मी आप अपना भी ख्याल रखो। हम सबके साथ आप प्यारी मम्मी आप अपना भी ख्याल रखो। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful poem. Now, I would like to call upon Mrs. Madhuri, mother of Shraddha.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा।
मम्मा
चंदा रे कभी तो ज़मीं पर आ, बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे, तुझको आते इधर लाज आए अगर, ओढ़ के आ जा तो बादल घने। चंदा रे कभी तो ज़मीं पर आ, बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे।
मम्मा आपके पास सारे सवालों का जवाब होता है, तो आप इनका भी जवाब दो।
चंदा से पूछेंगे हम सारे सवाल निराले, झरने क्यों गाते हैं पंछी क्यों मतवाले।
मम्मा आप इतनी खूबसूरत हो, क्या मैं आपकी तरह सुंदर हूँ?
आप तो मुझसे भी सुंदर हो, बिल्कुल उस तितली की तरह। तितली के पर क्यों इतने रंगी होते हैं, जुगनू रातों में जागे तो कब सोते हैं। चंदा चंदा
आप मुझे छोड़कर मत जाओ।
मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। चंदा रे कभी तो ज़मीं पर आ, बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे, तुझको आते इधर लाज आए अगर, ओढ़ के आ जा तो बादल घने।
Thank you so much, Mrs. Madhuri, for that amazing performance. Now let's invite Mrs. Ananya with her daughter Alankriti Roy from 4G for a dance performance.
उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा
for that wonderful performance. Now we have Mrs. Priya, mother of Siddesh and Niharika.
In today's rapidly changing world, where extended families are becoming increasingly rare, mothers are redefining their roles and responsibilities for their children. This evolution in the mother-child relationship is a precious gift to the new generation. Mothers are providing them with a nurturing bond that combines love, guidance, and companionship. As mothers are playing a pivotal role in shaping the values and character of the next generation, I wish all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
ये कैसी लड़की है,
इसका मैं क्या करूं,
इससे मैं क्या कहूँ,
ये लड़ता है,
अकड़ती है,
झगड़ता है,
बिगड़ती है,
दीवाना है,
दीवानी है.
But he's your best friend, yeah.
But she's your best friend, yeah.
Please put your hands together for mothers of grade 5 for a group dance. We have Mrs. Pallavi, Mrs. Ramya, Mrs. Archana, Mrs. Bhakti, Mrs. Resmi and Mrs. Parimala.
mothers, that was a truly energetic performance. Now we would like to call upon our beloved Principal Ma'am to address the gathering.
Thank you, Kanika and Heer, for hosting us this morning. I think I'm speechless because I was not expecting such vibrant performances from mothers. So I think first we should give them a big round of applause. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all the mothers who could make all the way to come and join us this morning. I know mornings are very difficult, especially for mothers, right? But still, I could see a large number of mothers sitting, enjoying and celebrating with their children. And I'm so happy to see the kind of involvement the mothers have with their children and the kind of connection, which was quite evident on this stage through your dance performances and the short skit you presented. Thank you once again. And I think we have already spent so much of time celebrating. But as Kamakshi ma'am has already mentioned, that why do we need a special day to celebrate these events? So I 100% agree with that. Yes, of course, in our day-to-day life, we sometimes forget. And these days remind us that we must cherish all these kind of special moments in our life and make each other feel good about whatever is happening in life. So this is how we feel connected. So now, as a school, as a parent community, we feel very much connected. And this is a very good start for our school because this is the first event of this academic year where all the parents have come. And I'm looking forward to have many more events where we can actively involve the parents, not only with the students, with the teachers as well. And we would be informing you about many more events. So looking forward to have many more events with you mothers and along with the fathers as well. And once again, on the behalf of entire DPS Monarch team, school staff, management, a very, very happy Mother's Day and wishing all the mothers a healthy life. And please enjoy the moments with your children because I don't know, somebody said that, you know, there would be a time they would be coming for very few days. And this is the time, you all are very young mothers, you still have a long way to go with your children. So enjoy these school life days because these are the best and memorable days for our children. So once again, thank you so much. And I would like to thank all the three great mothers, Ms. Asma Nayanar, Mrs. Rukmani Harish Kanjani and Kamakshi ma'am for joining us this morning. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank all the teachers, those who help children to prepare to present something good for their mothers. So they equally deserve a big round of applause. After all, they are also mothers. And I know somewhere your children may be studying in different school or in our school. You enjoy the day with them. And not only today and forever, we have to cherish these moments. Once again, thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Actually, we have got a lot of work, so I'm a little in a hurry, but I don't want to make it in too much hurry. It won't be reasonable me with leaving the stage without thanking Mr. Harshad, the manager of Malabar Gold and Diamond, who sponsored such a huge cake for us to celebrate this day and plus offering us the 4 lucky draw coupons. So mothers, those who have got, congratulations, enjoy, and let's see in future events what all we can offer you from the Malabar Diamond and Gold. So, yes, it's a collective effort from the community. He's very much part of our school community. And this is how we collaborate with each other, with all the stakeholders in school. So once again, together we unite and we create a best learning environment for all our students. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. A very happy Mother's Day to all of you. I'll just take a few minutes just to say thanks to the school, management, principal, HMs, coordinators, teachers, and everyone for this wonderful day. We enjoyed it a lot, and I would say this on behalf of all the mothers that had participated and had witnessed this wonderful event. We will cherish this moment forever. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those lovely words. Every beginning has an ending, and every ending is a new beginning. With that being said, We want to thank all the dignitaries, key functionaries, academic and non-academic staff, students, and last but not the least, a huge shout out to all the beautiful mothers here. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being here. Have a great day ahead.